welcome to another episode of Puppet Storytime with your host, me, Newton. Today, we are going to read a new book that is called, Mom, can you show us the book? 1 second. Here it comes. And the People Stayed Home by Kitty O'Meara. Mom, who are the pictures by? Stefano Di Cristofaro and Paul Pereda. And the people stayed home. Yes, that's what you're doing, aren't you? You're doing such a good job staying home and staying safe. So let's read this story about the people staying home. All right, I will see you inside the book. Bye! And the People Stayed Home by Kitty O'Meara. Illustrated by Stefano Di Cristofaro and Paul Pereda. And the people stayed home. And they listened. And read books like this one here. Ha! There we go.
That's funny.
Yeah. And rested. And exercised. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Woo.
And down. Whoa.
And made art. And played games.
Your turn.
And learned new ways of being. And were still. And they listened more deeply. Some meditated, some prayed, some danced.
Da 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 da.
Some met their shadows. Wow, that sounds like a brave thing to do.
It's a hard shadow to meet.
And the people began to think differently. And the people healed. And in the absence of people living in ignorant, dangerous, and heartless ways, the earth began to heal. And when the danger passed and the people joined together again,
Yay! Yay! Yay!
they grieved their losses and made new choices.
We could do it that way instead.
Yeah, that's a good decision.
And dreamed new images.
I love dreaming new images, don't you, Sam?
Yes, I do.
And created new ways to live and heal the earth fully as they had been healed.
Mwah!
The end. Wow, that was a really good book. I like that. and the people stayed home. Yes, and they learned new ways of being. And yeah, we can continue our new ways that we're learning about even after, when we can come out again and be with our friends and be living our lives like we were before. Yeah, we can still remember to be good listeners, even better than before, and to be kinder and maybe more patient and just more thoughtful, thinking our thoughts and thinking about each other. Both kinds of thoughtfulness. Yeah, I think we can do that even afterwards. Don't you think? You can too, can't you? All right. Well, let's sing a song now. Yeah, I think it's a time for a song. It's called Safe at Home. And I'm going to have my friends Holly, Monty, and Scramby sing with me. I will see you inside the song. Bye! When safest at home, let's stay there one and all. When danger threatens, safe at home is the call. And the people stayed home, they listened and read. And the people stayed home, children safe in their beds. We listened more deeply to family and kin. We listened more deeply to the world we live in. And we joined together to dance if we're able. And we joined together for meals round the table. When it's safe once more, we'll see our old friends. When it's safe once more, we'll be together again. When it's safest at home, let's stay there one and all. When danger threatens, safe at home is our call. Safe at home is our call. Yeah. Thanks for singing, guys. That was fun. And thank you for watching. So while you keep staying safe at home, and we will see you the next time we make another video. So we can't wait to see you again. Stay safe, stay you, and stay awesome. Bye, bye.
Oh, your head.
Ah,
Da 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 da.
Oh.